Alright guys, next video, 2010 Jeep Patriot 2.4 liter dual overhead cam. It's misfiring, but there are no misfire codes. And somebody's already done plugs and replaced one coil, and obviously they still have a problem. Seems like the number 1 and 4 are misfiring. Mainly the number 1 is the one that's misfiring. Alright guys, here we go. 2010 Jeep Patriot. Okay. 2.4 liter dual overhead cam. Got a misfire, but no misfire codes. Looks like someone already put new plugs and one new coil. You can see 1 and 4 cylinders are misfiring, especially the number 1. But you see I already switched the coils around, as you can see by the numbers. So everything seems okay there. So now when we come here to the driver, okay, we're gonna get on the driver circuit for injector number 1. All right. Now, this is a computer safe probe. Okay. This is the Mac ET120. They don't make this anymore. They haven't made it for decades, but it was a very good probe. Most likely Mac's not even around either, because they don't come around anymore, so you're probably done. But okay, one LED's power and the other one's actually the circuit. Okay, now that's the driver's side. Okay, I'm gonna go to number 2. Okay, and I'm gonna probe the power side of it. As you can see, the lights, lit. This one. Okay, and now I'm gonna go on the driver's side. Okay, can you see that? Okay, hold on. There you go. I don't know if you can see the little green flashing. Okay, that's the driver. Every time it flashes green, that's the driver itself. It's the grounding it. So now I'm going back to the number 1, and it's got nothing. No, it's just power, so there's no driver. Okay, I'm gonna do the number 3 cylinder. See that? That flashing, that's the driver itself. And number 4 also too. There you go. So we have pretty much a dead driver here. Okay, don't try this with the regular test light. Okay, this is a computer safe probe. All right, this one's fast enough to be able to catch the poles, so the driver poles. Just a reminder, do not use a regular test light with this, you will damage some. Okay, that is a computer safe probe. Oh yeah, and another thing, a lot of these drivers have a safety feature where if it shorts out, it will turn it off. This one's actually the injector. The resistance is within specs, so I doubt it's a shorted injector or something like that. Well, I guess the video's done. All right, as you can see, testing it is pretty simple. It was actually a bad driver. A lot of newer PCMs, or modules, they actually shut down the drivers when they detect that the circuit is shorted. But that wasn't the case in this one, because we actually did a resistance test on that particular injector, and it did not have, it was actually within specs, did not have a short circuit or anything like that. It wasn't shorted out. Okay, so this pretty much concludes our video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, like and subscribe, and see you next time here on My Mechanic in our cave, okay, in our garage.